YouTube? It's your boy Young Sniper coming back in another video. Me and my boy Tyler outside with the motherfucking, I don't even know what the fuck we at. We at some type of church over here by the goddamn school. Send my boy out. Yes sir, y'all. Got them cues back to back. Feel me, me and Twin coming crazy. This nigga still got this fucking red bullshit on the front of his car like it's damn Christmas time or something. Look at this nigga. He's fucking a goofball, man. But man, we about to hit the goddamn the car wash in just a second. I literally just going crazy and my shit.
I don't give a damn what it is. He don't give a damn what it is. We gonna try it.
You feel?
We gonna give it a shot.
These bitches look crazy together though. These Q50. Me and this nigga done came out here to the fucking church on a damn Wednesday. It's fucking Bible study and shit. Folks running, driving past us and shit, man. I don't know what the fuck we would think, but we finna get ready to leave this bitch in just a second. YouTube, we done made it to the goddamn car wash. I'm over here doing a little something with this motherfucker. I don't know. This is. Beep, I don't even got no goddamn shoes on to be doing this shit. I don't get no fuck though. We're gonna get this shit done. You get it? Motherfucker dirty. And we got Tyler right here. Next to them motherfuckers. You feel me? Get that nigga what? Spray this bitch down. Well, YouTube, this nigga Tyler done brought me to a garbage ass car wash. This shit don't even shoot soap out this shit, man. This motherfucker, this shit just shooting water right now, bruh. I still got a minute and 30 something seconds just spraying damn water. This motherfucker ain't even have no goddamn soap on this shit, man. Oh well, she got something on her, I guess. Goddamn. Look at this shit, y'all. Some nonsense. No soap at all, bro. I could change this shit. See how it say free soap on this motherfucker? Watch. Oh, high pressure soap. Hold on. High pressure soap. Look at this shit. What is soap? I got it on high pressure soap right now, bruh. What is this? This shit just shooting out water, bruh. Talking about I got a minute left. Nigga, I ain't want the little minute that you gave me, shit. How the fuck this shit like this soaping up right now? Hold on now. Oh, okay. I'll just delete it. That shit coming off. You see it. Motherfucker a little better than what it did when it came in here, motherfucker. I say that. Quick wash. But what the fuck? That was a fucking Nissan Versa, kid. That motherfucker loud as hell. Be louder than my car. But hell, YouTube, we just walked out of goddamn Best Buy. They ain't have a goddamn thing in that bitch. But we got the motherfucker woods. Sitting pretty right now, you feel me? Just did a quick wash on the hole. Something quick, nothing too major, you feel me? Damn! They finna wreck they shit running through the goddamn water like that and shit. What's wrong with they ass? Nigga tweak over there. But these motherfuckers going fucking crazy, you feel me?
The next day.
YouTube, it's your boy Young Sniper coming back to you on another video. We out here in butt nowhere. Finna run a goddamn Srtk Challenger real quick.
That don't ready you up though. He gonna burn you down.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
bad as hell.
So fucking bad.
Oh shit! Huh? Oh, 3.0 T?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Turbo.
Yeah, hell yeah, twins.
All right, come on.
He stopped though.
He stopped.
Hell yeah, he running.
Oh, yeah.
But you gon' Hey, straighten up, twin. Hold on.
All right. Hey, cut the lights out, and then when you're ready, hit them on. I know when you get on the converter.
He gonna bring you up. I'm gonna let him bring you up, but you straighten out for sure.
All right. Hey, cut the lights on, and then when you're ready, hey, let me know.
Damn!
Gang, you know we outside. Got my boy Joe back there in the SRT8. Got me right here. This RT Hemi I just ran.
Hell yeah.
For sure,
Hey,
gang.
I'm gonna follow you on IG.
Oh yeah, it's all over my car, bro. You'll see about 2 different Instagrams on that bit. I'ma definitely insert the clip and show y'all that race. I got a race of me and Joe also, but shit, I raced on that side. And as y'all can see, for the slide. All right, bet. As y'all can see, this motherfucker got them all this bullshit right here, and my shit slid all the way up there. I wasn't able to reel them in, but we're gonna get another run in for sure. We're finna hit to the gas station real quick. Yeah, I'll pick the camera back up when we get there. Fuck, we at somewhere in Madison. Out here at the gas station right now. We got the motherfucking SRTA right there. Got a motherfucking Hemi. This nigga didn't allow that motorcycle back here making all this goddamn noise and shit. But right now we're waiting on that nigga and the goddamn Cutlass supposed to be coming out here racing my boy Joe. SRT8. Motherfucker. I just raced that bitch and my shit spent the whole race, so I took an L. I ain't even gonna cap, but it is what it is. The side of the road I was on is fucked up. What's going on, bro? You be doing a little bit of racing?
Yeah, a little bit.
For real? Yeah. You wanna run into one of them over there? Huh?
I ain't running about it. I got somewhere to be.
Oh, okay. All right. 5.0 right there. Motherfucker sounds crazy. That blue on that car 5. But we're gonna spare him for the night. You feel me?
He's gonna get spanked.
My boy said he don't want to do no racing tonight. He got somewhere to be.
He's gonna get tore up.
You feel me? That shifting was way too slow. Motherfucker would have kept on going. Bye-bye. You feel me? That's how we come every time. Go ahead. Got a 5.0, built 5.0 right here. Little short, that little tall line, that little ass car. I gotta hear that motherfucker. That motherfucker crazy.